Hi, in front of me is WIKO View Go, and today I would like to show you how you can find all your downloads on this device. Firstly, open menu. Now find app files and click on it. Then click at the top left corner over here and select downloads if they are not already on. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. If you want to access one, just click on it. But you can also go back, click on the same lines over here and pick one of the sections, for example images. Now you can click on download folder over here and see all images that you downloaded. You can do the same with music, audio, music and videos. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!